Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 10 Pro Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Now click on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere, download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to choose whatever you wish to in Notifications pop-up, and then select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Finally, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive next to it on Realme. Then tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and choose Send next to Selected. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send, and click on Got it. Now scroll down on Realme, choose whatever you wish to, tap on Close this window and pick one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Realme, selecting while using or only this time, and pointing your device's camera at the code. But you can always just input this key over here instead and connect using Receive button. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!